Hey everyone! Have you ever looked up at the night skies and thought, what's really out there? Stars? Planets? Or maybe aliens waving back at us? There's one thing that helps us find out: the telescope. Telescopes are like magical time machines. They let us see objects millions of light years away, things that happened billions of years ago. How cool is that? Today, we are going to uncover the wonders of telescopes. We'll learn how they are, how they work, and some mind-blowing fun facts. Trust me, you don't want to miss this cosmic adventure. Let's get started.
Hi, my name is Zhu Yongqi. My metric number is 226558. What is a telescope? Simply put, a telescope is a toy for collecting light. Imagine looking at stars at night. Some are very bright, while others are faint and hard to see. A telescope helps gather the faint light from distant stars, making them brighter and clearer. Telescopes are categorized into three main types: refracting telescopes, reflecting telescopes, dioptrical telescopes. How do people usually use telescopes? Besides stargazing, telescopes are used in many other activities, such as birdwatching, navigation for pilot watching performances.
Hello everyone, my name is Chester Joel and I'll be demonstrating how the telescope works and where it's applied. So, how does a telescope work? To better understand this, I will be using a ray diagram. Let's have a look. A refracting telescope commonly consists of two convex lenses, the bigger one called the objective lens and the smaller one called the eyepiece lens. The eyepiece lens is aligned to the point where its focal point is at the same place where the focal point of the objective lens is. Since the object that we'll be seeing with the telescope will be very far away, we'll assume that the light rays from the object will be parallel to each other. The light rays enter the objective lens and is refracted towards the lens's focal point. This will produce a real inverted and diminished image at its focal point. Since the image is formed at the eyepiece lens's focal point too, the light rays will be refracted until they are parallel again, and the resulting light beam will be as wide as the lens. This will make a virtual, inverted, and magnified image at infinity. The eye's cornea will then focus the rays back to a real image. However, if an upright image is needed, the eyepiece lens can be replaced with a concave lens instead. This was the telescope model Galileo used to do astronomy. However, another convex lens, called an erecting lens, is more commonly used. The lens will invert the image from the objective, and the eyepiece magnifies the image while still keeping it upright.
Alright, it's time for some out of this world fun facts about telescope. First up, did you know the James Webb telescopes can see light from 13 billion years ago? That's like opening a photo album from the other universe. Here's a fun one. Galileo's first telescope was so simple, it only magnified things 20 times. But with that tiny telescope, he discovered Jupiter's moons and proved Earth is in the center of the universe. Finally, the largest telescope on Earth has a mirror the size of a swimming pool. It can spot light from billions of light years away, basically. It could find your missing socks from space. Amazing, right? Telescopes aren't just tools, they are our eyes to the universe.
Telescopes have a lot of applications. We use it to observe distant objects in space like stars, galaxies, and nebulas. However, these can also be used to observe distant things on Earth too, like coastlines, ships, and lighthouses. These are called spyglasses, and they typically use Galileo's model. Telescopes have also been used in theodolites, a tool used by land surveyors to measure angles from the ground. The way telescopes work have also been applied in binoculars and even camera lenses.
Wow, wasn't that amazing? Telescopes have shown us stars, planets and galaxies we never ever knew existed. They're not just scientific tools, they are storytellers of the universe. So next time you look at the stars, remember, there's a whole universe out there waiting for you to explore. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep looking up, because sky's not the limit, it's just the beginning.